Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your tactic on the Ultimate Team in FC24. And to do this, when you are on your squad, you have to click with your left stick. So click on the left stick, that's the L3 button actually. And here you've got the custom tactics below the formation. So when you open it, you've got a lot of sliders actually. And that's like the basic tactic. And at the top we can find the defense, we can set the defensive style. So that's all of them. On each style, we've got also right here the description. And right here, we've got, in every option right here, we've got the description on the right side. And also the behavior of the players on the pitch. So when you hold for it, as you can see, there is small animated GIF that show us, for example, the offense chance creation with the balance style. So if you want to change any of these parameters, for example, you want to reduce the players in box while attacking, you have to just move this slider to the left side. And as you can see right now on this animated GIF, we've got only one player in the in the box. So when you go to the right side and set it like that, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 players. So that's how we can adjust these parameters. And also you've got option to change the formation. Oh, that's actually quite interesting. It's probably some kind of the visual bug, but it looks very, very funny. Yeah, you can just simply change the formation. Here you've got the instructions. So, for example, you set up like tactic like that with the constant pressure, with the build-up play balance and chance creation balance, but you want to set individual instructions for your right back. So you just have to go for this player, click X, and here you can, for example, set him to join the attack, to make aggressive interceptions, and he can also, for example, the overlap, and he can step up from the position from the right back while attacking. And yeah, there's also the last option, the roles, where you can set the short free kick, long free kick, right, left corner, and also the penalties. And this screen that you see right here, it's bugged. It is not looking like that normally. It's probably a problem with my game. I have to restart that. But yeah, if you want to confirm the changes, just click yes. And then it's basically it. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.